Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Sunday Talk. Today's episode is going to be episode number 207. In this video, we're going to cover NVC update. We're going to go over 5 questions I received from some of you guys, and also I have a powerful and positive quote for you. On top of that, I have another advice for newcomers to United States of America. If you're discovering for the first time, my name is John. My main goal is to help newcomers, permanent residents, and also U.S. citizens regarding the I-130 process or the immigration topics we cover, and also anything that can help newcomers to have a better life here in the United States of America. Before we start today's video, I want to wish you guys a happy Sunday. I hope your day is going well. Any advice I provide in this video is not legal advice. Any advice I provide on this channel is not legal advice. If you want legal advice, you need to talk to an immigration lawyer or attorney. So guys, let's start with the powerful and positive quote that I have for you today. Today's quote is coming from Martin Luther King Jr. Here is the quote. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Okay, sometimes we want to do something, we have an idea, we want to take action, but we scared. Okay, we don't want to take the action because maybe we heard something or we just scared. But the thing is, just take the first step, and then from the first step you take the second, the third one. Okay, there's no way you're gonna see the whole thing, like sometimes the imagination is not clear. Okay, you don't see the tunnel, the end of tunnel, but at least you can see where to start. Okay, that's all matter. Okay, start first. Even if it's kind of blur, the vision is kind of blur or whatever, just take the first step, and then from there you will see how you take the second one, how you take the third one. Next thing you know, you're gonna reach the top and accomplish your goal. Okay, so I think it's a powerful quote, and let me know in the description below what do you think. All right, so guys, let's go over the questions we're gonna cover in this video. USA Mon. The first question of today's video is coming from Ekta Patel 6346. Here is the question. Hello, sir. I have a question. I received 2 times on 60 days reminder. 2 reminders should have come in May last week, but I have not received yet nor any visa appointment email. I'm very confused here. Can you please help? Well, thanks for the question. That's a good question. I know a lot of you guys will receive this email, from NVC to let you know that they're still trying to schedule an interview appointment for you. Once they schedule the interview, they will notify you. Okay, you receive those emails when you are waiting for your interview appointment letter. Some people don't receive it, some people do, especially if you're getting close to the front of the line. You will get those email. Okay, don't worry too much about email. Even if you don't receive it, don't worry too much about it. The main thing is, once NVC is able to schedule an interview appointment for you, they will notify you. Okay, they will notify you. So don't worry about those emails. So just reminders. Okay, all right. Question number 2. This one is coming from Priyanka Gandhi 3752. Here is the question. Hello, I sent my document to NVC, and it's submitted and approved. Still, they ask me for my financial documents. Please, can you advise on how to upload file, because I didn't find any document tab. Thank you. Well, thanks for the question. So, if NVC is asking you for financial document, they usually, give you the name of that financial document they're looking for. If it's a pay stub, like income, how to call it, evidence of income, or tax return document, W-2, they always mention the name of the document. Okay, so let's say it's, you don't have the field where to upload that document. All you got to do is to click on the add document button. Okay, when you click on the add document button, you'll be able to add additional document to your case. Okay, that's how you do it. There is a button that says add a document. Just click on that. Make sure you select the name of the petitioner or the beneficiary. You have to select the name of the person you're going to submit the document under. You do that, then you click that button, and then you'll be able to upload the document and submit it to NVC, National Visa Center. Okay, make sure you send the correct document. Sometimes they ask for something different, people send something different, something else. Okay, they will ask for W-2, and people will send a tax return. There's two different things. So make sure you pay attention to the document they ask you, because if you don't send the right document, they're gonna reject it and ask you to resubmit it again, and that will delay the whole process. All right, so guys, on question number 3, this one is coming from Suleiman Nesa 4820. Here is the question. I started mine last month on CR1 visa. How long do I have to wait to get approved? I remind you that my wife is an American citizen. Thank you very much for your availability. May God reward you abundantly. Well, thank you. Thanks for the question. This is a good question. So for this one, I don't know if you're talking about USCIS approval letter, or when you document qualify from NVC. Okay, because when you say you get approved, I'm kind of confused. Let's say you talk about USCIS approval letter. So that one, when the petitioner is a U.S. citizen, it can, and a petition for you as a spouse, it can take 6 to 8 months to get the approval letter. Okay, but as far as NVC process, after you document to qualify, or maybe after the case move to NVC, it can take like a year before you even get an interview appointment letter if there is no back and forth between you and NVC regarding a document you have to submit. You submit the wrong document, stuff like that. But if there is nothing like that, it means that there is no additional delay. It can take like a year from the day the case reach NVC, National Visa Center. So in general, when your spouse or a U.S. citizen spouse and petition for you, the whole process can take, now, after COVID, it can take like 18 months, even a little bit more. Okay, especially if there is no, like, NVC didn't ask you to, resubmit a document and all those stuff. Or maybe USCIS didn't ask you to, resubmit a document. Maybe you send the wrong document. If there is no back and forth between USCIS or NVC, it can take 18 months to 2 years to get your visa and come to the United States of America. I hope I answered your question. All right, guys, if you like the video so far, please give a like. Click on the like button. Okay, that will help the video, and also share the video. Let's move to question number 4. Question number 4, this one is coming from Rihanna Singh 9135. Here is the question. Hi sir, I'm from South America, category F3. My priority date on December 12 2012. I received an I-797 notice of action 3 years ago. I recently came to the U.S. with a B1, B2 visa. Will my application be canceled if I overstay? Well, thanks for the question. So, B1 and B2 visa purpose is to come to United States of America, visit, and then go back to your home country. Okay, so since your immigrant visa is pending, well, if you move to United States of America and you overstay your visa, that will complicate the case. That will have impact on your case. Okay, because you violate a non-immigrant visa law, basically. Okay, you don't supposed to come and overstay your visa. Okay, so if you wanna continue with the immigrant visa, it's better just to go back to your home country and wait till NVC schedule an interview appointment for you. Okay, but if you move to United States of America and you want to continue the process here in the United States of America, you have to adjust your status and let NVC know that, okay, now you are in US and you want to adjust your status. You have to let them know. Once you let them know, they will tell you exactly what to do. Okay, I know there is the way to do that, but they will tell you exactly what to do. But to answer your question, overstay your visa will complicate the whole thing. Okay, don't do that. All right, guys, and let's move to the last question of today's video. This one is coming from Femio Gunderu 3414. Here is the question. Hello, sir. I have got a question. Can a petitioner update on his or her address after the interview date for the beneficiary has been set? Well, thanks for the question. So, if you want to change your address after the interview, what you need to do is to, once you move or come to United States of America at the port of entry, of the United States of America, you have to let the CBP officer know that, okay, you will change your address. So they will change your address for you. So once they change the address, your green card will go to that new address. If you don't change the address, well, the green card will go to the old address. And if there is nobody there to receive the green card, it will be sent back to USCIS, and it can take a long time before you receive it. It can take up to 4 months, 5 months before even you receive that. It happened to a cousin, that's what I'm saying there. So make sure you update your address at the port of entry before you enter United States of America. So guys, those are the 5 questions I want to cover in this video. Now let's cover NVC update for this week that is ending. For some of you guys who didn't have a chance to watch the update video I did on Tuesday. Yes. So this week, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on June 30th of 2023, meaning that some of you guys will receive a welcome letter and start your immigrant visa process, okay? Those of you who already started the process, submit document, pay fees, NVC announced on their website that they are reviewing the document they received from you guys on July 26, 2023. So once everything is correct, there is no mistake, they will send you a notification that, okay, it's complete, meaning that your document to qualify, you have to wait for your interview appointment letter. And then the third update regarding inquiries. Some of you guys who send inquiries to NVC, they are announced on the website. They are working on the one they received from you guys on August 1st on 2023. Make sure you check your spam folder. Make sure you check your inbox to see if NVC reply to your email. Okay, so those are the 3 updates regarding NVC for this week. And next week we're going to cover another update. By Tuesday you will see the video. Okay, and then the advice I have for newcomers to the United States of America this week is you need to avoid domestic violence. Okay, domestic violence is not a good thing. That can jeopardize your life here in the United States of America. Some of you guys, unfortunately, have a tendency to beat your wife, you beat your husband back home. When you come to this country, you continue to do stuff like that, you're going to be in trouble. Okay, you're going to be in trouble because if police get involved, and they can arrest you because of domestic violence, and that will be on your record. Sometimes if you go to look for a job, you won't find a job because of that domestic violence history in your record. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that it's very important. I'm not joking here. It's very important to avoid domestic violence in this country. Okay, if you used to beat your wife, you need to stop it when you move to the United States of America. If you used to beat your husband, you need to stop it when you come to the United States of America. If you used to beat your children, you need to stop it when you come to the United States of America. If not, you're going to jeopardize your life here in the United States of America. So guys, those are the stuff I want to cover in this video. I hope you love it, you learn something from it. If you know somebody you think will benefit from the video, please go and share with that person. If you like the video, click on the like button. Like I said, it will help the growth of this video. Okay, a lot of people can see. If you want to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button. If you want to share the video, go in and share it. That will help a lot of people. Okay, if you want to support the channel, we have a USA Mon shop. The link is in the description below. You can go to the shop and purchase at least one t-shirt to support the channel, especially some of you guys who benefit from this video, who got your visa already, you moved to United States of America, you are working, you're making money. Please support us. Okay, support us, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Whatever you do today, do it peacefully. No stress. No stress is not worth it. I know life is hard here, but it's not worth it to be stressed out. Once again, I don't know what I'm gonna say next, but thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video.
USA Monde.